So this is 147 page and we are in linear equations in two variables. 147 page, linear equations in two variables, exercise 6.5. Only two problems left, fifth and sixth. Fifth and sixth. All of you read the fifth question. Fifth question, all of you read. Write the equation of the line parallel to y-axis and passing through the point. -4, 0. Given point is, say, A. What is that point? -4, 0. So mark this point on the Cartesian plane and through this point draw a line parallel to y-axis. See here, very simple, small problem. X-axis, y-axis. Zero, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Say 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Approximately like this. So, even no need of a graph, just on a white paper you can draw, because this is not exactly related to the graph, just a concept. See here, -4, 0, -4, 0. Where is it? -4, x value -4. See, x-axis, x value -4, y value 0. X value -4, y value 0. -4, 0. This is the point A. This is the point. X value -4, y value 0 means it is on that line only. -4, 0. From this point, draw a line. From this point, we will get infinite lines. This one, like this, like this, like this. So many lines we can draw. But what line we have to draw? Draw a line parallel to y-axis. This is the y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. Exactly parallel to y-axis. How to draw the parallel line? Exactly parallel. Don't draw cross. Parallel. If you are drawing on the graph, at -4 there will be a line at -4, because each line you are taking one. So there will be one line here, there will be some one thick line here, a thick line here, thick line here. At -4 there will be a line, no? So on that line, with the help of the scale, if you draw the line. Suppose if you are using a scale, if you are using a white paper, take -4. So same distance, take -4, take -4, take 2, 3 points you take and join them. So exactly you will get a line like this. Through -4, 0 point you have to plot. How to plot that -4, 0? On x-axis, x value -4, y value 0. This is -4, 0. So through this point, draw a line parallel to y-axis. Draw a line parallel to y-axis. Through this point, draw a line parallel to y-axis. This is the required line. exactly parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means vertical line we will get. Parallel to x-axis means horizontal line we will get. X-axis, parallel to x-axis, horizontal line. Horizontal line. Parallel to y-axis means vertical line. That's this is the line. Just draw the diagram, that's all. Second, also you do. Two comma 0. Mark the point and through this line B, through this point B, draw a line parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means vertical lines only, standing lines like this. Parallel to x-axis means horizontal lines, sleeping line. So B is 2 comma 0. Mark the point 2 comma 0. What is x value? 2. X value 2. See here x value 2. X value 2. Y value 0. X2, Y value 0. X value 2 means it is on x axis. Y 0 means here only. 2 comma 0 is the point. This is the point 2 comma 0. Second bit. In the same figure I am drawing all the lines. Actually they are separate questions but only for practice. 2 comma 0 I marked. X value 2, Y value 0. So now through this point, how many lines we can draw? Infinite lines we can draw. But draw a line parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means vertical lines. This is y-axis, vertical means any line parallel to y-axis will be vertical only, standing line. So through this point, draw a vertical line. This is the answer. 2 comma 0, line is drawn. Third question. 3 comma 5. Mark 3 comma 5 and through which draw a line parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means vertical line only, standing lines, vertical lines. 3 comma 5. X value 3, Y value 5. X value 3. X value 3. X value 3. X value 3, Y value 5. This is the point 3 comma 5. X value 3. X value 3, Y value 5. X value 3, Y value 5. 3 comma 5, that is a point. Which point? 3 comma 5. X value 3, Y value 5. This is the point. How to locate the points? So many problems we did. Maybe more than 30-40 problems locating the points. X value 3, Y value 5. 3 comma 5. Now through this point, draw a line parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. This is the line. Answer. Through 3 comma 5, draw a line parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means if you are using the graph at 3 comma 5, there will be some vertical lines, horizontal lines. There will be square lines, horizontal lines, vertical lines. At 3 comma 5, there will be, at exactly 3 comma 5, there will be a vertical line. So put the scale on that vertical line and continue that line. That is the answer. So if you are using the white paper, then don't draw cross lines. Exactly straight line parallel to y-axis. Straight line parallel to y-axis. That means safe side. After marking this, here also take 3. Somewhere here take horizontal distance 3. Join them. We will get exactly parallel line. Otherwise, we will get cross. So draw the line through this point which is parallel to y-axis. Fourth bit. -4 -3. Mark this point -4 comma -3. X value -4, y value -3. X value -4, y value -3. X value -4, x value -4. Y value -3. A y value, y is here. Y -3, x -4. This is the point. X value -4. Y value -3. X value -4, y value -3. -4, -3. This is the point. So through this point, what line we have to draw? The line parallel to y-axis, straight. Not parallel to x-axis, not horizontal, vertical line. Parallel to y-axis. So parallel to y-axis means only the line is there. If you are using separate sheet, draw again. But now if I draw all the 4, if I represent on the same, so same line we will get, and the same line. Through -4 comma 3, if you draw a line parallel to y-axis, so same which is passing through -4 comma 0, same line I will get. But if you are using separate paper, you will get a separate line like this. So mark the point, given point, how to mark the point, you have a lot of practice. We are almost all completed 5th chapter and 6th chapter is also going to complete. In these 2 chapters, everywhere we got graph, plotting the points on the graph. So we know how to plot the points. X value -4, see x value -4, y value -3. This is on the y-axis, -3. This is the point. So from that, draw the line parallel to y-axis. Over. So last question, students, read that. After completing this, read the last question. Sixth, first bit, write the equations of 3 lines parallel to x-axis. Write the equations of 3 lines parallel to x-axis. See, suppose y is equal to 1 line, you have to draw y is equal to 1. What is y value? 1. Y value 1. Next y value 1 only. 1. Y value 1. Y value 1. Y value 1. So y is equal to any number. Yesterday also I explained. y is equal to any constant will be parallel to x-axis. This is y is equal to 1. Suppose if you are asked to draw y is equal to 2, this is y is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. So y is equal to any constant, any number, real number, the line will be parallel to x-axis. So if y is equal to 1 or y is equal to 2 or y is equal to 3 or y is equal to -4, y is equal to 10, all these lines are parallel to x-axis. Y is equal to any constant is parallel to x-axis. So we are asked to write three equations which are parallel to x-axis. Any three you can write. Write three equations of the lines which are parallel to x-axis. Line parallel to x-axis means its equation will be y is equal to something. Y is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, y is equal to 10, y is equal to -3, y is equal to -4, y is equal to any number, it will be parallel to x-axis. Right. Answer. Y is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Y is equal to any number parallel to x-axis. That's it. Write down. Y is equal to any constant, it will be parallel to y is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 will be parallel to x-axis. So you are asked to write three equations. You write any three. Y is equal to any number you take, it will be parallel to x-axis only. Y is equal to 100. So there will be y value 100 somewhere. It will be parallel to x-axis. I will give it as a notes also because this is an important bit. I will give it as a notes after completing this second bit. Write this simply and leave it. You write down the second bit also. Second question, parallel to y-axis. Suppose x is equal to 2 line. How to draw this x is equal to 2? We have drawn many lines. X is equal to 2. See x value 2. Every time x is 2 only. If you take y is equal to 1, x is 2 only. X always 2. So x is equal to any number will be parallel to y-axis. X is equal to 2. Suppose x is equal to -2. You will get line like this. Suppose x is equal to 3, x value 3, x is equal to 3. So x is equal to any number, x is equal to any constant, the line will be parallel to y-axis. So we are asked to write three equations whose lines are parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means x is equal to something. X is equal to any number parallel to y-axis. Y is equal to any number parallel to x-axis. That we have drawn in the previous case. So write down this answer. This is the last problem. Over. Write down. Graph is not necessary. Just I will give some notes after this. So this chapter is over, students. I am giving some important bits. See here. X is equal to k. What can you tell about this line? X is equal to k where k is constant. X is equal to k. K is constant. Suppose x is equal to k. What will be the shape of this line? How this line will be? X is equal to 1, 2, 3, any constant, x is equal to any number will be parallel to y-axis. X is equal to any number will be parallel to y-axis. This is very important bit you have to remember. Even in higher classes also you will get this. x is equal to k represents, write down, x is equal to k represents a line parallel to what? X is equal to means parallel to y axis. Remember this important bit. X is equal to any number, see x is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to any number, it is parallel to y axis. So x is equal to k will be like this, vertical. X is equal to any number will be a vertical line, parallel to y axis, vertical line. X is equal to 1, like this, vertical line. X is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 4, x is equal to 5, 6, like that. So remember this bit. X is equal to k, where k is a constant, represents a line parallel to y axis. Second bit. Y is equal to k. Y is equal to any number, the line will be parallel to x axis. It will be horizontal line. Remember this bit. Suppose y is equal to 1. How to draw this line? Take y value 1, draw this. Parallel to x axis. Parallel to x axis. Y is equal to any number, parallel to x axis. X is equal to any number, parallel to y axis. Reverse. So y is equal to k represents a line parallel to x axis. That is horizontal line. Write down the second bit. Write down the second bit. Y is equal to k, where k is constant, represents a line parallel to x axis. See here, on x axis, this side x value increases, this side x value decreases. But any point on x axis, y value will be 0. On x axis, only x values will exist. 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2. But y value is 0. So any point on x axis, suppose, see here, x value 1, x value 2, x value 3, x value minus 1. So what is the point here? X value 1, y value 0. X value 2, y value 0. X value minus 1, y value 0. At any point on x axis, y values are zeros. X value will be something, but y is always 0. Therefore, remember this. Every line will have equation. So equation of x axis is, see here, equation of x axis is y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means it is a line. Which line? X axis only. So this is x axis and it's every line will have equation. So equation of x axis is y is equal to 0. Remember this important bit even for your higher studies. So equation of x axis is y is equal to 0. Write down this point. Third point. Similarly, equation of y-axis. Equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Remember this important bit. What is the equation of y-axis? X is equal to 0. Why? Any Any point on y-axis, x value is 0 only. Y value will be 1, y value 2, y value 3, y value 4, y value minus 1, y value minus 2, y value minus 3. But x is 0. Any point on x-axis, y-axis, x is 0. Right. Another bit. See, equation will have x coefficient, y coefficient, constant. See here, ax plus by plus c. Three terms will be there. Sometimes there will be no constant, there will be no y, there will be no x. Different cases will be there. Suppose there is no constant, only xy, or only xy, there is no constant. This way or this way. So this, there is no constant means this line if you draw, definitely pass through the origin. Definitely pass through the origin. If there is no constant, here also x is there, y is there. There is no plus 3 or 2 or anything. So there is no c. xy, only 2, x and y, this type of lines will be passing through the origin. This is also important bit you write down. Write down. The lines ax plus by is equal to 0 or y is equal to mx. Passes through the origin. Passes through the origin. The lines ax plus by plus c, ax plus by is equal to 0. There is no c. Only xy. This type of line, if you draw, it will definitely pass through the origin. Like this. All lines will pass through origin. So, y is equal to mx passes through the origin. The lines ax plus by is equal to 0 or y is equal to mx passes through the origin. Suppose the point a comma 0 is there. Where it lies? If y is 0, x is a. Y is 0. Y 0 means lies on x-axis. If y is 0, x-axis. Any point on x-axis, y will be 0. Suppose a comma 0. Where it lies? On x-axis. This is also important bit you write down. Sixth bit. Zero comma a lies on y-axis. If x is 0 and y is some number other than 0, then lies on y-axis. Zero comma 0 is the origin. Is the origin. Lies on both the axes. It lies on x-axis and y-axis, no? So these are some conclusion steps I gave. So you just read it, and in even not only in this 9th class, even in higher studies also these bits may be useful. So equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0, equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Any point whose y coordinate 0 means lies on x-axis, whose x coordinate 0 means lies on y-axis. If both are 0 means it is the origin, lie on x-axis and also y-axis. Any line parallel to y-axis will be in the form of x is equal to some k. Y is equal to k means parallel to x-axis. So all the important bits I told. So with this chapter is completed, and no need of revision also. This is not so important chapter, and no much formulas, nothing. All problems are graph. I hope you may be practiced, and let us not go for the revision also. Let us conclude the chapter, students, and today this is the